Alright guys, so if you've been looking for how to create a blurry eye effect, like how to blur your eyes in the video, you get my point. This is different from blurring background and blurring a face. So all you need to do is to just stay tuned. Let's go. Alright guys, so if you have any video you want to use for this, that's fine, but I had to create this video. So I will sit and then show you my eyes and then show you how I'm gonna blur the eyes. You get my point? Like I said, this is different from blurring the face, blurring people's faces. It's also different from blurring the background. So, and the cloth is dirty. I shot many videos with this cloth. You get my point? So when you are done, you can now save your video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. So now on CapCut, you click on new project and import the video you just recorded here. So this is very simple. This is very simple. You get my point? So I had to mute the sound because the noise there was too much. I was in an open space, so I had to mute the sound. So now from the beginning on how I want my video to start, I will tap on the video layer, tap on split, and then delete the beginning of the video. So I'll go towards the ending part of the video also, when this particular point where I got up and wanted to leave. So I'll just tap on the video layer again, then I will tap on split, then delete the ending part of the video. So if you're already enjoying the video, please hit the like button. You get my point? So now you go to adjust, because I really want to increase the video quality. Understand? I'll click on brilliance and then increase it a little. After brilliance, I'll have to click on sharpen. I'll have to click on clarity, but let's go one after the other. Let's just click on this sharpen and then increase it. Don't make it too much. Like I used to tell you guys, don't increase it too much. So to some of you that don't like watching videos to the end, I'm very sorry, because something important is at the end of this video and you get to understand it if you watch this video to the end. Also let me know if you watch this video to the end in the comment section. You get my point? So now I have to click on hue. Now increase this hue a little. When you increase this hue, you will see the beauty, another beauty of it. You get my point? So I'll leave it at 20 the way it is now. I'll come back. So now let's get to why we are here. Now we are going to go to click on this navigation button. Now click on effect. See effect here. Now you click on body effect. Click on body effect. See body effect here. So tap on this search bar. Make sure your network is connected, and then you tap on the search bar here. You tap blur, BLUR, then you search. You get my point? So when you search, the first two are the blurry parts, the blurry effect, but I'm going to select the second one right here. When you select the second one, you can now tap on it to adjust. Then you increase the speed to 100. You get my point? When you increase the speed to 100, then you can now click on this OK button. But let's see how the first one's gonna look like. So look at it here. I don't like it at all. So let's go back to the second one. So now I've gotten the second one. You can now click on OK. Let's get back to the main page. You get my point? So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. So from here, this is the effect layer. You tap on the effect layer as it is right now. Tap the ending part of it and drag it to align at the end of the main video. So you're gonna have your effect right here. Remember I said if you are watching this video to the end that there is something amazing awaiting you at the end of this video. So before I say it, guys, you are good to go. You can export this video to your gallery. Now what I have to tell you is that I love you guys so much for your support. I really love you so much for your support, for your likes, for your share. Understand, for your shares, the way you share my videos, you comment on my videos, I really appreciate them. You get my point? Anywhere you are, being in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, guys, may God bless you so much. So you can now export your video to your gallery, and see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.